Hello everyone, this is Pritam Shah and welcome to my YouTube channel Cognitive Coders. So today in this PySpark video series we will learn how to remove duplicate value from Spark data. So in our earlier video we have seen how to sort the value, how to fix the value. You just go to my channel playlist and see the video. These all are in a sequence. Please go and watch the video. Okay, so let's start today's topic. Okay, so coming to the workspace, this already I have created the notebook and the cluster is attached. Okay, so already I have a data frame. You can see uh, this is the unique one. This is the duplicate data. This is the okay. This is the full duplicate data. Okay, here is also this is also a duplicate data, but the place is different. Okay, so we have few scenarios that we will discuss during the session. Okay, let's see. Okay, so you can see the data frame. Data frame is created. So how to remove the duplicates? There are two methods we can use. Okay, in Spark, it is provide the distinct function. We can use it, or we can use drop duplicate function. Okay, both the function is almost same, but there is little bit difference. Okay, both the function. I will show you. Before that, if you are a beginner, just use the help function to see its documentation. Okay, both the documentation I have uh, already used the help function for seeing the documentation. So let's do it on hands-on. So there is two duplicate data. Okay, the ID2 is also a duplicate data. ID3 is also a duplicate data. So first run the distinct function. So what happens? So we have the data frame. Raj is two times, Priya is also two times, but Priya's cities are different. So using distinct function, only Spark can identify the Raj is a duplicate value. Okay, Raj has a duplicate row, so it removes because the Raj city is also Delhi in duplicate value. But for Priya, it is cities. First time it is mentioned Mumbai, second time it is mentioned Indore. So that's why it's not get deleted. Okay, so uh, using distinct, this is the data frame. Using distinct, part can read the data frame row wise. So that's why if we have the data in a row, whole duplicates for all the columns there is a duplicate value, then it will be removed using distinct. Okay, but if one of the column of a duplicate data is different, then Spark can't consider it as a duplicate value. So distinct use like this. Okay, so we'll see how to use drop duplicates. How we will get the result for drop duplicates. So for drop duplicates also we got same value. Okay, but for drop duplicates we can specify the to part session that only consider the ID. Based on ID, please remove the duplicate. ID or name anything. We can specify the column. We can pass argument column name as the argument. if I will specify the Spark driver that based on ID specify the duplicates, then one of the Priya it will be deleted. The second value of Priya it will be deleted. Always consider the false value. You can see. तो स्पार्क ड्राइवर बेसिकली सेकेंड वैल्यू को पूरा डिलीट कर देता है एंड फर्स्ट वैल्यू को ऑलवेज कंसीडर करते हैं बिकॉज आईडी को लेके हम लोग यहाँ पे स्पेसिफाई कर दिया स्पार्क ड्राइवर को कि आईडी अगर यूनिक होगा तो ही उसको कंसीडर करो, नहीं तो मत करो, नहीं तो वो डुप्लीकेट होगा. नॉट ओनली नॉट फुल रो वैल्यू यू नीड टू कंसीडर, पूरा रो को कंसीडर मत करो, ओनली आईडी पे जो है उसको कंसीडर करो, उसके बेसिस पे डुप्लीकेट को हटा और उसके बाद डेटा फ्रेम को रिटर्न करो. तो बट इफ वी try to pass the argument in distinct it will not, because distinct function is not taking any kind of argument, one position argument but two were given. Okay, this is the type error. तो डिस्टिंक्ट फंक्शन में हम कुछ भी आर्गुमेंट पास नहीं कर सकते. तो for using distinct we only can delete that kind of value which have the duplicate value for all the column. But using drop duplicate function we can specify the column based on which we want to remove the duplicate. We can also specify multiple columns. If you want to specify name also, you can specify based on id and name. You need to remove the same data you will get, because name पे भी कोई ऐसा डुप्लीकेट नहीं है. So this is the main funda of these two function. Okay, so this is the end of this video. So if you like my video, please do like and share with your friends, and please subscribe my channel Cognitive Coders, because I'm uploading the video daily basis, and please press the bell icon, that then you will get the notification, and please share these videos with your friends also, because they will get benefit of this video. Okay, please support us. Thank you for watching my video. Bye.